bridge elevator for Treasure Island next to CVS. And of course, there's somebody waiting. Going up?
Yeah. Like I went to that one.
Did.
It's such a good sport.
Bring us to that sky right there.
Yeah.
Oh. That thing has an epic motor. There it goes. And oh. It will close up. There it goes. Are you having some issues? Are you guys having some issues? You should be going up now. There it goes. And on the second ride down, I just witnessed people flirting. That was an interesting catch, but you didn't film it though. I just filmed the fixtures. Anyways, that's it.